Alright, good afternoon boys. Today we're going to look at the personal liability company. And before I start on this, you just need to understand that it is very, very similar to a private company. The main difference, or the biggest difference, is that the directors of a personal liability company are jointly and severally liable for all the debts and liabilities of a company. So the directors have this unlimited liability. So right now you should be thinking, oh, but this sounds similar to a partnership. So in fact, the personal liability company is a mixture of a private company as well as a partnership. So let's look at all the different characteristics, and please remember to fill this in on your sheet. So in terms of the name of the business must end in the letters INC, and INC is shortened or the abbreviated version for the word incorporated. Now, what kind of businesses are going to open what we call personal liability companies? These are normally lawyers, architects, doctors, all right? So they have a responsibility towards those that they are serving, and that is why they are liable for the debts of a business. So in terms of a number of members, they can have one or more shareholders. The directors have the legal status, all right? So everyone who is an associate in that business, or is a doctor, or is an architect, has the legal status, and they are then fully responsible for all the debts of a business. In terms of capital, it's unlimited because you can have one or more shareholders or directors in this business. In terms of the management of the company, there must be a minimum of one director. So you could open up a company that is filled with lots of lawyers, but you could be the only director and the only owner. That means you will take on the responsibility for the debts of that business, even though you've employed other lawyers. This business can continue to exist because it has a registration number which it gets from its memorandum of incorporation, right? In terms of taxation, it pays a normal business tax, and the financial statements do not have to be audited, and the registration process is exactly the same as a private company in that you have to register with SIPC. I trust that this has made sense and that you can see the combination of this incorporated company between a private company and that of a partnership. Have a good day.